Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering how can you close or disable the background apps or the apps that are running in your background without you wanting them to be run in the background basically, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to close and disable them in two different methods. So the first method is going to be so easy. You find this arrow right here, you go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, these apps are running in my background. If I want to close any of them, let's say I want to close this one, I right click on it and then tap on exit. Just like that, I have closed one. If I want to close any of those, I need to do the same. Now, the second option or the second way of doing it, you need to go ahead and open your task manager. You can do that by right clicking on your taskbar and then you choose task manager, or you can click on Control, Shift and Escape. Here we go. In Task Manager you find Startup Applications or Startup Apps. It's going to be this icon right here, or you can tap on these three lines and find Startup Apps right here. Once you open it, you find all of these apps. You can find the ones that are enabled by checking the status right here, and you find enabled or disabled. If you want to close any that are enabled, you just go ahead and right click on the app and then tap on enabled. So these apps won't even start in the background without you starting them in the first place, which is a better option than the first one, because if you close an app right here, if the app wants to start again without you knowing in the background, it can do it without a problem. But if you disable it from here, it cannot really open in the background unless you open that app and you leave it in the background yourself. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.